Good afternoon. This is meteorologist Vaughn Smith with the National Weather Service in Peachtree City, Georgia. This is the weekly weather briefing for August 1st. This is a quick overview of the weather we are expecting this week. We are looking at a slightly quieter weather pattern over the weekend. However, we will be getting back into a wet pattern again Monday through Wednesday of next week across most of Georgia. No tropical storms are expected. Before we get started on the forecast for the week, I would like to talk briefly about some of the rain we received overnight across Pickens and Gilmer counties. From about midnight through 8 a.m., an average of 4 to 6 inches of rain fell along the Pickens and Gilmer county line. This ended up being a 100-year rainfall event. The river gauge near Talking Rock along Fawcett Creek had its second highest crest ever of 15.3 feet. Flood stage is 10 feet on Fawcett Creek. With this much rain falling in such a short time frame, we have seen some flash flooding which resulted in roads and bridges being washed out. Some people had to be evacuated from their homes, and some of the county's first responders had to do some swift water rescues. Adding a little climate to the weather briefing. July was wet and cool. We did not break any precipitation or temperature records, but we did see one of the coolest and wettest Julys in some time. The closest we came to breaking a record was in Columbus. The average high temperature for the month was 88 degrees. This was the sixth coolest July on record, with 86.6 degrees being the record set in 1994 for Columbus. On to the forecast. This is a satellite image from this morning at 8 a.m. You can see drier air is beginning to move into North Georgia and will continue moving across the state through Friday. This drier air mass will help keep precipitation chances down across the area through Saturday. This is a look at one of the forecast models. What you're seeing is moisture in the atmosphere. The purples and blues are moisture. The greens and yellows are dry air. You can see on this map, by Monday morning, a frontal boundary will sink south into central Georgia, with moisture increasing across the state. This frontal boundary is expected to stall across the state and stay fairly stationary through the middle of next week. This frontal boundary, along with increased moisture, will help increase the precipitation chances across the state Monday through Wednesday of next week. Here are the current rain chances for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. This map is showing the south and western portions of our county warning area having the best chance for rain. The remainder of Georgia, in yellow, is generally 40 to 50%. Here is the 8 a.m. Thursday official rainfall forecast for our area for the next 7 days. Although we are not expecting widespread significant rainfall, some areas could see localized amounts of 2 to 3 inches, particularly for the beginning of next week. Generally speaking, we are expecting anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5 inches. In summary, we are looking at a quieter forecast Friday through Sunday, with increased chances of rain Monday through Wednesday. Generally, we are expecting anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5 inches of rain and localized 2 to 3 inches possible. Thank you for watching our weather briefing, and we look forward to doing this again next week.